Hey y'all, this is D. I'm back with another video. Today, I'm talking about perseverance. Um, if y'all heard that, that's my baby. He's snoring. But um, today, I left the gym um, in a different state than normal. I was tired. Normally, I go to the gym, and by the time I leave, I'm still kind of good, and I don't start to really just feel everything start to ache until a little bit afterwards. But this time, I don't know what my trainer was on, but today was a little bit different. He had me do one exercise where like I had to do like a push up, and then I had to I want to say hurdle. If I'm wrong, don't come for me. But like I had to pick up the weights and then go back down, pick up the weights, and we did 10 of those 4 sets, and it whooped my butt. But the thing is, he knows how to get me. Okay, so I'm the type. If you tell me I can't do something, I'm gonna make sure I do it on point. Like I don't do well with somebody telling me that I can't. Like unless it's like, you know, if it's really something that you shouldn't be doing, that's one thing. But for somebody to tell me that I can't do something because they have their limits on their own lives and they want to turn around and try to tell you what you can and can't do in your life and don't know nothing about you, that's where you get me. I will I will finish it out. I go against all of that. But he used that tactic today or whatever. I've been with him for a little minute, so he knows how to get me. However, I left out um, a little bit more tireder. I had to sit for a minute and get myself together. But it was nice. It was nice. However, basically, what I'm coming out here to talk to y'all about is how bad do you want it? Is the question, because we tend to put limits on ourselves. We can put limits on ourselves, and had I put a limit on myself of what I could do, then I wouldn't have known that I could actually finish out. Like I finished out my workout. It's 45 minutes of working out. And today he went hardcore and I made sure that I finished it completely out. And it's okay to like stop here and there, because sometimes like around 6 I might take a quick break, but in your head, don't just wait for somebody else to push you. Outside forces, you need to be able to push yourself. And that's what I do. I'd be like, come on, D, you can do it, D. Get yourself together, D. Get yourself together, you know? Um, but yeah, because I want to be toned, especially by springtime. I want to be toned. I want to look nice. And not that I don't feel like I look nice, I just have a picture in my brain of how I want to be. And so till I get to that picture, then, you know, we're going to keep working till we get there. I could care less about how anybody else feel about how I look or my weight or, you know, it's your body. Don't worry about what everybody else have to say. I've learned that, again, your people are your people. And those people that are not your people, those ain't your people. Like, everybody's not going to like you, and that's fine. I'm okay with that. Everybody's not going to like me. And then a lot of people will like me. It comes and it goes. And then as of you being that person, you choose and pick those people that should be in your circle and those people that should not be in your circle. But you have to have a spirit of discernment to even know who's who. However, if you want it bad enough, fight for it. Okay? The gym, my trainer beat my behind, but I want it bad enough. And I'm going to fight till I get there, okay? But it's all on you and what you want to do. And apply that to everything in life, not just working out, Apply that to your jobs. Apply that to your children. Like, I want my children to have the best. I want my children, not that I want to spoil them, because I still want them to be grounded in certain aspects. But at the same time, I want them to have so much more than I had. Like, this will be the first time in my family where we gonna be set. Like, I've already been revealed, or these things have already been revealed to me. Like, playing no games. Get yourself in position so that the blessings that you want can be manifested towards you, and everything will be so much better. I'm telling you. Okay. If you want your hair to grow, you can do that too. It's just things that you have to do. You have to put in the work for it. Can't be lazy. Although I'm not saying, sometimes you do need your time. Sometimes you do fall in a lazy state, and that's okay too. But at some point, you got to get back up. You got to see the big picture at the end. And you got to work to get to that big picture, okay? Other than that, that's about all I have to say about this one. I was super tired, y'all. I'm still am super tired. Like, my arms hurt. My arms hurt. Coming up the stairs to the house, my legs was giving in. I was sitting there at the gym. I was debating on how I was gonna get back home. Like, it was bad. But I made it, though. I fought through it, and I'm super proud of myself. Like, I get proud of myself when you fight for something that you wanted, or something that you thought that you couldn't do, that you put in your head that you couldn't do. When you overcome the obstacle, watch how good you feel afterwards. Watch how much your confidence just boosts. Shot rocket. I don't even know if that's the right way to say it, but it sounded right at the moment. You'll feel so much better, y'all. Y'all fight. Y'all see the picture that you want, or write down the picture. I like to write down stuff. Sometimes I'm visual and I just see it and I keep it pushing, but a lot of times it's good to write down what it is you want to see. Write it down. Look at it. Bullet points, especially. And go from there until you see exactly what you wrote on paper. When you start to see that actually coming into play, that's when you can cross it out and keep pushing. And watch how much better your life be. And don't think baby steps. Don't think that you got to have this whole thing scratched off before you can be happy. Baby steps, you'll start to see the progress. But if you take those baby steps and keep taking your baby steps, eventually you have to see it come into fruition. It's only right. That's the way it works. I'm a firm believer in that, y'all. So, y'all have a good rest of your day. I'm finna go do something to this head of mine. Or probably not. I'll probably keep it in a ponytail for right now. But, yeah. We're gonna keep it pushing. Keep it going. I'm proud of y'all. I'm proud of me. Love yourselves. Love other people. Don't think just self-love. I love self-love, but I also love others as well. Yeah. Have a great day. Bye. I love y'all.